Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Shiprocket with WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in my case, I'm using WooCommerce with WordPress. And basically the first thing to do is to go to your admin page. So basically you need to go to the dashboard and simply you will find uh, the page as follows. So here you will find some of your plugins that are specific or for your website. But what we are interested in is to go to the plugins. So here I'm just going to search for plugins to add, and then we will need to install Shiprocket. So here I'm just going to click on plugins, and from here I will need to add new plugin. And basically, all you need to do is to search for plugins and search for Shiprocket. So here, I'm going to add Shiprocket, and then we will need to find the result. So as you can see here, we can find Shiprocket, and it is an auto-sync with WooCommerce Store. So we need just to install Shiprocket, and we will need just to wait for the install to finish. Now, we will need to activate plugin. We will need just to click on activate and we will wait for the plugin to be activated. So now we can see that Shiprocket is activated successfully. You can go to settings and from there you can see all the things concerning Shiprocket. Now all you need to do is to sign up to Shiprocket and then you will be able to connect it to your WooCommerce website. So basically you need just to go to sign up and then add your account and it will redirect you there and you will be able to connect Shiprocket with WooCommerce. Another way to do it is by going to extension of WooCommerce and then if you have some subscription that allow you to get Shiprocket, you will be able to find it in the extension. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.